everyone. So, about 3 days ago, OpenAI released this text to video model, or they've made a post about it. I don't think they've publicly released this. They're still working out bugs and just, I think, trying to make sure people can't use this in the wrong way. But it can generate up to like 1 minute videos. And I know there's other text to model or text to video models out there, but I guess this one, compared to those, is just a lot more realistic, at least from what I saw with some of the other ones. And also, the continuity between frames is a lot better as well. So, it's pretty incredible just looking at some of this stuff here. So, anyways, I just wanted to share this because I thought it was super cool. I don't know what this will mean for like the BIM world or AEC firms. I work in MEP, and it could help with training, possibly like client engagement stuff if you can, I don't know, just be a bit more creative with proposals and reports and so on. So I don't know what that'll actually look like. I could see like in the YouTube space, like having these like pre-stocked videos, being able to generate them on the fly, and have them specifically related to the content you're doing. I think there's a lot of questions just on how it's going to impact a lot of people, the folks that build this kind of content. It's just going to continue to get better. These systems are going to be more scalable over time because they'll be just more effective at computing a lot of data. So I don't know what this is going to look like when they roll it out to everybody, but I would imagine there's going to be a price to it just because of the amount of computing required to create entire minute-long videos. But we'll see over time kind of what happens there. Something that I thought was kind of interesting is this C2PA. So this is for like authenticating and validating where information comes from. So videos, AI generated stuff. And I think this is going to be more important the more of these tools that come out, because I just think it's important to have that transparency on where does this stuff come from. Was this article entirely written by AI? Are the videos that are in that article AI generated? What does this all mean? So I think stuff like this is really important, and just tracking that and giving us that transparency between the media that's out there and what's being created. So anyways, this link to this page will be below. You can also just search their site. But yeah, it's worth checking out, and I'd like to hear your ideas on what you think. Like, how would this impact BIM and AEC? I could see more on the architectural side if you could tie it into some of the visualizations that a firm has in-house, extract all of that information, what's important, identify all of that, and then have the ability to create custom videos based off of the context of the firm. So I don't know so much about the MEP side. That's what I've been trying to think through. But it's still pretty incredible. It'll be interesting to see when this gets, if it ever does, gets deployed to everybody. But anyways, that's all I've got. So thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next one.